Some people think they give a sincere apology when they say, "Sorry if I offended you." What do you mean by sorry if I offended you? Obviously, you're not trying to acknowledge. Anybody that hears you say that would know that it's not coming from a place of love. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adunola. So today we'll be talking about how to genuinely and sincerely apologize. Simply, an apology is an act of saying sorry or acknowledging your wrongdoing. And this is something everyone has done at one point in their lives. But before we go further, please like this video, share and comment below. Also, don't forget to put on your notification bell to update you every single time I upload a video on this channel. This will encourage me to know that you like it and to do better. In order to give a genuine apology, it's more than just saying sorry. We'll be going on the steps on how to sincerely apologize to someone you've wronged. Number one, write it down. Yes, apologizing is real business. So you need to write down how you feel, what you did wrong, how you would feel if you were the one that was offended, and what you would do better next time. This helps you to introspect and put yourself in the person's shoe and to be able to bring yourself to acknowledge that you did something wrong. Number two, understanding and accepting responsibility. You need to be remorseful, you need to be accountable. You need to put yourself in the person's shoes, how you would have felt if you were the one at the receiving end. And stop trying to defend yourself. Stop pushing the blame on the other person or pushing the blame on others. Just be humble, relax, accept, and just apologize. You understand? Some people think they give a sincere apology when they say, "Sorry if I offended you." What do you mean by sorry if I offended you? Obviously, you're not trying to acknowledge. Anybody that hears you say that would know that it's not coming from a place of love. So you need to help yourself by being sincerely sorry for what you've done wrong. So instead of saying sorry if I offended you, say I'm sorry that I made you feel this way. I was wrong for standing you up. In fact, I'm disappointed in myself. That way the other person would know that you are genuinely remorseful of your actions and you take full responsibility. Number three on giving a genuine apology is that you need to suggest ways by which you would repair the damage. It helps you to grow as a person. Say things like, "How can I make it up to you?" It's not a way of bribing someone, but it's a way of genuinely showing that you still love this person and you still want to protect the relationship you have with that person. The best way to apologize is by apologizing in person. Seeing that person face to face and apologize. In a situation where you cannot apologize, then you can resort to giving a phone call. If you cannot give a phone call, then you can text. But the most sincere way to apologize is to be with that person. Let the person see your facial expression. Let the person feel the way you feel. Let the person hear you that you are deeply sorry for what you've done and you would like to mend the relationship. Number five, ask if your apology has been accepted or if you are forgiven. This is not going to be a very comfortable thing to do, especially if the offense was very brutal, because most times the person might still keep going on and on how you've hurt him or her. And in this situation, you have to put your ego aside, put your pride aside, and be humble enough to keep going on and apologizing and saying things for you to be accepted. This is a price you have to pay for being the culprit. You have no choice. You just have to make sure that the person accepts your apology. And if the person doesn't accept your apology after so many attempts, then just leave it and let the universe be. Just leave it to the hands of God, because that is the best you can do. Try so many ways. Also, in the hope of being accepted, you can try to show the person some of their love languages. If it's gifts, you can buy the gifts to show that you are really sorry. You didn't know what came over you. I will do better next time. I know that I have not been a good friend. From now on, I'm going to be a good friend. Please take this as a token of my love for you. And if you've tried that, it still doesn't work, then just let it be. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.